Hello there and welcome back to SI Solvers. Today we will learn division of decimals, which is the last video of our decimal franchise. Haven't checked our franchise yet? Link is in the description. Go check it out. Without further ado, let's begin this video. Division in decimals. We all solved and learned division when we were small as a child. And do you remember the point technique in division? Yes, hope you remember. Here's an example. 531 divided by 4. Let's divide 4 into 1 is equal to 4, and since 4 is nearer to 5, we are going to consider 4 in the quotient. Subtract and you get 1. Take the next number, which is 3, and it becomes 13. 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and it is near to 13. Put 3 in the quotient and 13 minus 12 is equal to 1 again. Take the next number down and it becomes 11. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 is more nearer to 11, so put 2 in the quotient and 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. The division problem is not done though. We need to keep solving until we get 0 as the remainder. Now put a point to the quotient like this. By putting the point, we can add a 0 how much ever we want. Since we put a point, a 0 will be brought down to the current remainder. In this case, add 0 next to 3, it becomes 30. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. It is nearer to 30. So put 7 in the quotient and 30 minus 20 gives 2. The remainder is still not 0. So put a 0 next to 2. Remember, you cannot put more than 1 point in the quotient. Since you put a point in the beginning, you can keep continuing to add 0 forever. Okay, after putting 0 next to 2, it becomes 24 into 5 is equal to 20. Yes, 20 is divisible by 4. Excellent. Put 5 in the quotient and 20 minus 20 gives 0. Great. The remainder is now 0 and the final answer is in the form of... That's right! It is in the form of a decimal number. The answer is 132.75. Cool. Now if you have watched our introduction to decimal video, we told that there are 2 more types of decimal yet to learn and we would be taught in this video. If you haven't watched that video, click the above card and watch. Now the 2 remaining types are recurring decimals. Recurring decimals is a decimal representation of a number that goes on forever. For example, look at this. Go to your calculator and type. Let's say 856 divided by 3. You get 285.3333333 and so on. The number 3 goes on forever. Hence 285.333 and so on is considered a recurring decimal. Non-recurring decimals. It's completely the opposite. It's a decimal representation of a number that does not go on forever. Example, 855 divided by 6 is 142.5. 498 divided by 8 is 62.25 and so on. And that's the 2 types of decimals pending for you to learn. Great! Let's solve another decimal example before moving on to a word problem. Remember, this example is different from what you have learned in the beginning of the video, so keep your ears peeled to this one. 89.56 divided by 4. Keep the position. 4 into 2 gives 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring down the next number, 9. 4 into 2 gives 8. It's nearer to 9. Keep 2 in the quotient and 9 minus 8 gives 1. Bring the next number 5 and it becomes 15. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 is more nearer, so keep 3 in the quotient and 15 minus 12 gives us a definite 3. Bring down the next number 6 and it becomes 36. Now 36 is divisible by 4. 4 into 9 is 36. Keep 9 in the quotient and 36 minus 36 gives us 0. The answer is 2239. Now in the question 89.56, the point passes 2 digits, which is 5 and 6. So put a decimal point after 2 digits. Okay, the point comes in between 2 and 3. Yes! It passes 3 and 9. 2 digits. Hence the answer we get is 22.39. Cool. Word problem based on division decimals. Point number 1. Amanda walked 9.8 miles in 2 hours. How much distance did she cover in 1 hour? Solution. Keep the position as shown. 2 into 4 gives 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring the next number 8 and it becomes 18. 2 into 9 gives 18. 18 minus 18 gives 0. So we have 49 in the quotient, but it's not over here. How? The decimal point passes 1 digit in 9.8 and in 2 there is no decimal point. So since 1 is passed in 9.8, the answer will have its decimal point passing after 1 digit. So 49 becomes 4.9. The point passes 1 digit, which is 9. And there the answer is 4.9. So Amanda walks 4.9 miles per hour. Wow! Excellent! We are done with all the 4 basic operations in decimals. Thanks for tuning and watching every video in the franchise. Even thanks for watching this video. Before you leave, Be sure to subscribe with notifications on, like, comment and share. See you all in the next video. As always, over and out.